Hey everyone, I thought we'd take a look at our songs and do a little bit of negative harmony. And I think I'll just focus on Green Dolphin Street on this one. And what is negative harmony? The way I've heard it explained, there's kind of different ways of looking at it, I think, but it was, some musicologist named Eli or somebody or another, took the G7 chord like this and decided that there was like an octave of C and the middle part being here, and then everything that occurs here gets reversed. So like G becomes C, and this becomes that, and that becomes that, and the same thing down here. C becomes G, this becomes that, this becomes that. So if you take a G7th chord and you reverse the notes like that, the D becomes F, the F becomes D, and the G becomes a C, and the B becomes an A flat. And so you get this minor 6 chord, like F minor 6, or we could call it D minor 7 flat 5, and that is our new dominant chord that moves to the 1. All right, now, most people will just say, that's just nothing but a F minor to C, a plagial cadence, F minor 6 to C, and sure, that's all it is. But suppose we take it one step further. What would be the negative harmony dominant of this chord, F minor 6? Well, it would be B flat minor 6, right? Because if we took F on its axis and played the dominant chord like this, and we switch this and this, and we switch that and that, we get this, and that's B flat minor 6 or G minor 7 flat 5. And so we could have a progression that would be like a 5 of 5, all right, speaking in conventional terms. But in negative harmony, we'd have this chord first, B flat minor 6, then F minor 6, and then landing on our root chord, which is C major or C major 7th. Now, I've taken it a step further, and instead of just B minor 6, I'm doing, the rootless version of that. It's not really rootless, but, well, yes it is if you're thinking B flat minor 6. So I took this chord, and then F would be this one, and then C is this one. All right, so let's apply this to Green Dolphin Street. I'll start with some chordal voicings. And then, what do I like to do? All right, so. All right, and here comes that 2-5-1. So I use the B flat, and I use the F, and then I use the C. Right. Then I can do the same thing here. All right, those are some McCoy Tyner ideas there. You just take a minor. You could make it this kind of minor, right? So, where's the third? All right, we'll put it in. And then that's like a D7. Where's the 7? We could put it in. All right, but it kind of sounds good. Just leave it out. Get that kind of wide open chordal voicing sound. And I really like using the fourths in the left hand and the triads in the right hand. You can do such amazing things with triads, right? Like a C7th chord. What is it? All those triads are within the diminished scale. So anyway, just some ideas there. Any place else we could use that negative harmony? Maybe in the beginning. I don't know. You'd have to maybe put some bass lines with it and see how that works.